what's that?
Be quiet before I kill your baby daddy.
Infirmary, and what is it?
Kill your baby daddy, you ain't gonna have no motherfucking baby daddies. The fuck?
I don't need no baby daddies.
Fuck wrong with you?
Fuck wrong with you?
You ain't stupid enough. You ain't. I'm telling you right now.
You kill him and I'ma kill you. That's
so you sitting there taking up for a whole nother nigga.
My baby needs their father.
A whole nother nigga that you be doing
ain't
to
you in your kids' life?
Anything probably.
Ain't you in your kids' life?
Nasty as fuck.
Ain't you in your kids' life?
Stick his tongue in you or something. Like, come on now, you through.
Why do you care?
You through because you my wife. That's why.
Well, maybe you should have did it then.
Now you gotta do. Well, I'll stick my tongue in your booty. Like, come on,
say
man.
what?
Fuck wrong with you? Don't play with me.
I don't get. He ain't do that.
This guy trusted his woman, but now she's pregnant with another man's child. Like I always say, trust in a relationship isn't built on words or promises, but on honesty, consistency, and actions. In the absence of this, confusion and conflict are inevitable. So be careful out there, guys. Don't ignore the red flag when it's first noticed.
Genius dad outsmarts biased judge and leaves greedy ex-wife with nothing.
She showed up at my house with her boyfriend driving my vehicle. Who wouldn't be upset about that?
Biased judge tries to put the husband on child support so ex-wife could go to college, but he came prepared. This is a masterclass on how to devastate your ex-wife financially and a clear example on why investing in a competent attorney is essential, even if it means sacrificing everything.
So in that I do live so far away from the kids to school, they had to let me go because I was doing drop off and pick up and just waiting there in the line. So I did have to be fired from my job. So that was the reason why I had asked for some assistance.
Were you having an adulterous relationship?
I was not.
You were not?
No, I was not.
I see. You're trying to tell me that Mr. Acevedo forced you to leave the house?
Correct.
And why did he do that?
I didn't leave the house. Mr. Acevedo actually locked me out of the house.
And why
did not allow me to get anything, did not allow anything like that.
Okay. And why did that happen? Just because he wanted to do it?
Because he was upset.
And why was he upset?
I couldn't tell you why he was upset.
Oh my God. Stop lying.
Let's talk about that incident. And I don't want to open a dirty wound and go on for hours, but could you briefly describe the reason that Miss Chesser says that you locked her out of the house?
Right. Reason why is because of the fact that she had committed adultery. She was basically living with another individual, had abandoned us, myself and the children. That's why I didn't allow her to come back. And she was basically trying to force her way in the house. I was just looking out for the safety of my children, myself.
And that led to her calling the police over to the house when she came back?
That happened several times where she would call, but the one incident that she spoke of was due to the fact that she showed up at my house with her boyfriend at the time, driving my vehicle. Who wouldn't be upset about that? And she basically was up in my face, but nothing ever happened. I never touched her or anything like that. That was basically like a false accusation, and that case was dismissed.
The unfortunate thing is that the father had to deal with this. She cheated on him, then falsely accused him of DV, then tried to put him on child support so she could go to college while refusing to get a job.
We even had a amicus attorney to represent your children. And at the hearing, the amicus attorney recommended to the judge that we have a 50-50 custody and no child support, which the court granted. Isn't that true?
Her words were not anything
Objection,
to do with
Your Honor.
What makes this story stand out is how one's preparation changed the outcome. The father didn't rely on emotion, arguments, or hope. He showed up with evidence, strong legal representation, and a strategy. And the courtroom looked very different because of it. Now, every family court case is unique, and no single story represents every situation. But this one definitely raises questions about accountability, shared parenting, and whether the legal system gets it right when both parents are capable of supporting their children. So guys, what do you think? Should 50-50 custody generally mean no child support when both parents are able to work? Or should courts still order payments based on other factors? drop your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.